How to upload your photos and videos directly to your Google Photos if it is saved on your phone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save the photos and videos that are already on your device and you want it to save on your Google Photos. So if you want to do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, you should open your Google Photos, but make sure that your Google Photos is updated to the latest version. For that, you can simply go to the Google Play Store, and on the search bar you can search for Google Photos. After searching for Google Photos, if there is any option of update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your Google Photos. Now make sure to log in to the account that you want to update your photos to. So to just insert all the photos and videos on your Google Photos, what you need to do is go on the profile section of the Gmail account where you want your Google Photos to save. After tapping there, you will see the very option of backing up. Now when you see this option, what you need to do is, if it is disabled, then the photos you click from your camera won't be selected on your Google Photos and it will only be selected on your gallery. But if you want it to be selected on your Google Photos, then just turn it on, and now you can choose the account where you want the photos to be backed up, and you are just done. All the photos are now backed up to your account. I hope this video helped you. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.